सुप्रभातं छात्राः. Today let us learn Anuvada Abhyasah, means translation from English or Hindi to Sanskrit. In our curriculum we have the translation of sentences from Hindi or English to Sanskrit. For this we need to learn basic concepts of tenses, vibhaktis as well as word meanings. Strengthening our knowledge of words is very important to do translation very effectively. So let us do some exercises today. Rachananuvadah Vartamanakalika Vakyani. In translation, first let us see some present tense sentences. Even though we have a translation from English to Sanskrit, let us study Sanskrit to English in the beginning for better understanding. This lesson is taken from Abhyasavan Bhava, our 9th standard grammar book. So let us see, read these examples. Chhatraha patati. Student reads. Chhatra पढ़ता है. बालकः हसति. Boy laughs. बालक हंसता है. माता आगच्छति. Mother comes. माँ आती है. शिक्षकः पाठयति. Teacher teaches. शिक्षक पढ़ाते हैं. कृषकः क्षेत्रं कर्षति. Farmer plows the field. कृषकः कृषक खेत जोतता है. श्रमिकः पाषाणं त्रोठयति. लेबरर ब्रेक्स द स्टोन. मजदूर पत्थर तोड़ता है. लिपिकः कार्यं करोति. क्लर्क डज हिज वर्क. लिपिक कार्य करता है. क्रीडकः क्रीडति. प्लेयर प्लेस. खिलाड़ी खेलता है. छात्रः लेखं लिखति. स्टूडेंट राइट्स एन आर्टिकल. छात्र लेख लिखता है. अजौ तृणानि चरतः. टू गोट्स ग्रेस ग्रास. दो बकरे घास चरते हैं. वानरौ कूर्दतः. टू मंकीज जंप. दो बंदर कूदते हैं. सिंहौ गर्जतः. टू लायंस रोर. दो शेर गरजते हैं. आचार्यौ पाठयतः. टू टीचर्स टीच. दो आचार्य पढ़ाते हैं. धनिकौ वस्त्रदानं कुरुतः. टू रिच मेन गिव क्लॉथ्स. दो धनी वस्त्रदान करते हैं. कृषकौ क्षेत्रं कर्षतः. टू फार्मर्स प्लाउ द फील्ड. दो किसान खेत जोतते हैं. धावकाः धावन्ति. रनर्स रन. धावक दौड़ते हैं. श्रमिकाः कार्यं कुर्वन्ति. लेबरर्स डू वर्क. मजदूर कार्य करते हैं. पाचकाः भोजनं पचन्ति. कुक्स आर कुकिंग फूड. पाचकगण भोजन पकाते हैं. छात्राः पाठान् पठन्ति. स्टूडेंट्स रीड लेसन्स. छात्र पाठ पढ़ते हैं. नद्यः वहन्ति. द रिवर्स फ्लो. नदियाँ बहती हैं. त्वं कुत्र गच्छसि. वेयर डू यू गो. तुम कहाँ जाते हो. युवां किम खादतः. व्हाट डू यू बोथ ईट. यू तुम दोनों क्या खाते हो. यूयं किम कुरुथ. व्हाट डू यू डू. तुम लोग क्या करते हो. अहम पाठं पठामि. आई रीड ए और दी लेसन. मैं पाठ पढ़ता हूँ. आवां ग्रामं गच्छावः. वी बोथ गो टू दी विलेज. हम दोनों गांव जाते हैं. वयं भोजनं कुर्मः. वी ईट मील. हम लोग खाना खाते हैं. In these examples you can see that they use sentences in Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha as well as Uttama Purusha. Prathama Purusha third person, Madhyama Purusha second person and Uttama Purusha first person. Same time Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachana forms. Madhyama and Uttama also in Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana forms they explained. So you need to notice the changes which occurs in Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam, and same way in Madhyama and Uttama Purusha also. Those changes which occur while changing from Ekavachanam to Dvivachanam or Dvivachanam to Bahuvachanam and all, you have to practice well based on basic lessons we learned in the previous classes, which will help you to understand easily. Now let us move into some exercises. अधोलिखितानां वाक्यानां हिंदी भाषया आंग्ल भाषया वा अनुवादं कुरुता. Translate these sentences into Hindi or English. Swabhashya also given there, means to mother tongue, but we don't have that option here. Vayam Varanasim gacchamaha. Vayam Varanasim gacchamaha. We all are going to Varanasi. Tvam kutra gacchasi. Where do you go? Tvam, it's in Madhyam Purusha. Yuvam kim kurutaha. What do both of you do? Yuyam prahasanam pashyata. You all sing the drama. Aham lekham likhami. I am writing an essay. Avam grihakaryam kurvaha. We both are doing our homework. Vayam bhojanam pachamaha. We all are cooking food. Rest of the questions you have to do in your own. I will just read the sentences. Rameshaha katham shrunoti. Lata geetam gayati. Mata jalam pibati. Nadhyau vegena vahataha. Balikaha abhyasam kurvanti. Shishavaha dugdham pibanti. Nrityanganaha nrityanti. Purushaha jalam nayanti. Adholikhitanam vakyanam Samskrita bhashaya anuvadam kuruta. Translate the following sentences into Sanskrit. हाथी चलता है. An elephant moves. दो बंदर कूदते हैं. Two monkeys are jumping. दो लड़कियां नाचती हैं. Two girls are dancing. वृद्धजन धीरे धीरे चलते हैं. Old people are walking slowly. महिलाएं बातचीत करती हैं. Women are talking each other. बच्चियां कहानी सुनती हैं. Children listening to the stories. दो छात्र पाठ याद करते हैं. Two students are learning a lesson. दो किसान खेत जोतते हैं. Two farmers are plowing the field. Here I gave a translation in English, so it will be useful for you to translate into Sanskrit. So answers you have to do and submit by tomorrow. Now let us continue with next question. दो बैल चरते हैं. Two bulls are grazing. दो हंस तैरते हैं. Two swans are swimming. लोग काम करते हैं. People are doing work. तुम क्या करते हो? What are you doing? तुम पाठ याद करते हो. You are learning a lesson. तुम लोग व्यर्थ समय बिताते हो. You all are wasting the time. मैं घूमती हूँ. I am roaming. मैं पुस्तक पढ़ती हूँ. I am reading a book. हम दोनों गृह कार्य करते हैं. We both are doing homework. हम दोनों बातें करते हैं. We both are talking. हम लोग स्वाध्याय करते हैं. We all are doing self study. Thank you, students.